Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting Node.js installed because npm comes bundled with it. Once done, open VS Code and verify Node v and npm v in the integrated terminal. Make sure you install helpful extensions like npm or Node.js support to surface scripts and autocompletion. Set your default shell to one you know, PowerShell, Bash, or ZSH, so path resolution behaves predictably. These actions fast-track the rest of the setup and eliminate common path and permission issues early on. Once your environment is ready, you initialize the project, run npm init to create package, JSON quickly, or do the interactive init to customize. Then install dependencies with npm install package, save for runtime or save dev for dev tools, observe package lock. JSON updates to ensure reproducible installs. Make sure VS Code settings enable the Script Explorer and set terminal. Integrated. CWD to your project folder so scripts run from the right location. Doing this ties np to finish, execute npm run script from the terminal or use the Script Explorer UI. For one-off tools, use npx so you avoid global installs. When you need to debug, create a VS Code launch configuration to attach to or launch Node, set breakpoints, and step through code. If something breaks, check that your path points to Node, verify the Node and npm versions, and if installs fail, run npm, cache clean force, and reinstall Node modules. That single troubleshooting step resolves many weird failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.